Hey guys, today's mukbang is spring rolls, and it comes with a little peanut butter sauce. And to drink, I just have some water with ice. So that's the peanut butter sauce. And I also got a tofu spring roll. So let's get to eating. Oh, this one's shrimp. And it has sprouts. And that's what I like. Okay? Really nice. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys something that happened to me. I think it was Tuesday. This week has been such a bad day, such a week for me. And to top it all off, with this lady coming up to me while we're in dance class, Zumba class. Like, she's not even caring. She's just stupid, honestly. Alright, so me and my friend Daniela were like laughing, right? No, we're laughing, having a good time. Whatever. Okay, so anyways, we were dancing. We're dancing, you know, in the middle of class. But before that, there's a little group of, like girls, ladies, whatever. And I was like, I would feel like they were talking about me, you know what I'm saying? Like, you get that vibe. You know, you get that vibe that they're talking about you. So I was getting the vibe that they were talking, you know, maybe they were talking shit about me. Which honestly, I don't give a fuck, but whatever. This is the tofu. You know, I feel like they're talking about me, whatever. Okay, so okay, so whatever, I don't do anything about it, okay? So, you know, I'm dancing. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. I'm dancing. And I'm like fooling around. You know, my friend's like next to me. We're like looking at each other and dancing. We always do that. We look at each other and, you know, we like dance. But the girl was in front of me, okay? But I would feel like she would kind of like, you know, turn around a little bit to see what I was doing. And, so I guess, I don't know what happened to her. She kind of snapped. She turned around and said, this was said in Spanish, okay? She said, what's up, what up, girl? Like, what do you got beef with me or something? And I was like, what? Like, what are you talking about, you know? So she's like this. She's like, what, we got beef, girl? Like, what's up? I was like, what? I was like, are you fucking serious? I'm like, are you fucking serious? You're gonna fucking, I'm gonna get down in the middle of the dance floor. Like, there's kids everywhere. Like, seriously? Like, nah. I was like, nah, don't play those games with me. I'm like, you know what? I don't play that. I'm like, I ain't got nothing with you. Or whatever. We turned around. No. I started dancing. And I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like, she dances funny. I mean, you know, everybody dances, but she just does it. My hair. She just dances a little bit. Oh my god. She dances just a little funny, you know, like she does extra movements that I'm just like, whoa, it's funny, like, it's funny, but in my mind, I was making fun of her. I honestly wasn't like trying to make her feel bad or anything, because I don't give a damn about her. Like, I don't care, you know? I'm trying to like dance, you know, like, oh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pop, lock, and drop, you know? And I'm trying to dance, but when I see her, and she's just like, you know, I kind of don't focus, because I'm looking at her and just like, whatever, you know, I'm just like, whoa. But that day wasn't those days where I was just kind of like looking at her and like, oh my god, like this girl is totally messing up my dance. Like I'm dancing, I'm moving, but as soon as I see her, I kind of like lose where I'm going and okay, whatever. So then, you know, I guess I was like texting. I called my sister. I texted her. I was like, dude, guess what? Like this bitch that came up to me. I'm fucking pissed. Like what the hell, you know? Okay. So I'm kind of texting my sister. I see her walk by. She's there. And I see my daughter kind of like go. My daughter's 5 years old. Okay. So I kind of see her, you know, my daughter go over there. When she's coming back, I don't know if she did this on purpose. I don't know if this was like, she didn't really see her. But she kind of bumps into her. My daughter's small. She's 5 years old. And my daughter kind of like goes like this. And from where I was standing, I was like, you pushed my daughter! Everybody kind of like stopped and like kind of like looked around. She's like, no, wait. I was like, yes, you fucking did. You pushed her. He's like, nah. Like, this was her. Nah. Like, I didn't see her. Like, I'm sorry. Like, you know, I didn't mean to. Like, I was like, no. I was like, you know what? This tofu is like, whoa. It seems to me like it's fried. And I don't like that shit. Okay, so. That's better. Okay, So I'm like, really fucking pissed. And I'm like, okay. So, I go to the left side, and I'm texting. Like, dude, this bitch pushed Alex. I'm like, dude, this bitch pushed Alex, and I'm fucking pissed. So after that, she comes up to me and she's like, you know what, like, I didn't mean to push her. I'm like, how old are we? Do you think I'm gonna get in a fight with you? Like, I'm gonna get down in the middle of the fucking dance floor? I was like, grow the fuck up. We're not in fucking high school to where, is it true you're talking shit about me? It's like, no, you know, like, no. I've seen her before looking at me like funny, but it doesn't mean I'm just gonna be like, well, so what's up, girl? Like, you got beef? You wanna fight? I was like, okay, so what if we get in a fight right now? What if we fuck each other up? Are we gonna fuck each other up the next time we see each other? How old are you? I'm like, grow the fuck up, alright? He's just like, dude, I was mad. I'm like, you know what? I ain't got no fucking beef with you. I have no problem with you. In fact, you're fucking insignificant to me. Like, I don't care about you. That's how I felt about this fucking girl. Like, this bitch. Like, honestly, I was just so fucking upset. Just the fact that she just turned around and she wanted to fight. Like, what? No. Oh, and you know why? You're messing around with the wrong kind of girl. Because I'm like, I'm not going to fight with you. I'm sorry for the language, but I was really upset. Oh, there's like peanut. Oh, sorry. Like peanut and whatnot. That's good. But you know what I'm saying? Like, who fucking does that? And so, like, seriously, this girl. And her sister came up to me. She's like, stop, stop, stop. I'm like, oh, wow, you're such a fucking badass bitch. And I went and grow the fuck up when I was in high school. Okay? It was just crazy. That was just crazy. I don't understand people like that. There's several people in my life that need to fucking grow the fuck up too. Simple as that. But yeah, like, really, like, it's so funny because this has never happened. Like, it's so funny. And my friend was with me, and she's like, what the fuck, dude? I'm like, I know. And it has, like, it's like this sauce. It has peanuts. It has carrots. And the peanuts are very crunchy. I'm just like, I'm done with a lot of shit in my life. And I wasn't gonna take like shit from this girl or rails. I got really full, guys. Whoa. I got really full. I still have a tofu, which is this one, and a shrimp, which is this one. You know what? Let me taste some of these noodles. Okay. They're like chewy, but got some noodles. If it tastes like ASMR, just give me a thumbs up. Or like the, oh, here we go, these good ones. Are these bean sprouts? Yeah, they are. This is my makeup of the day. I don't know. Last of the water. Okay, guys, so this is it. I hope you like my spring roll mukbang. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this mukbang slash eat with me slash story time Thursday. I don't know. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And it's fun. Just click the little red button. Just subscribe. See you guys.